Okay, hi, I'm Judy Dodkins. I'm 71 years old. I came to Dr. Jeff in a lot of pain and a lot of neck pain. I couldn't even turn my head either way or sideways or anything or up and down. He got a hold of me and started making me eat right and exercise a little bit and gave me wonderful adjustments. And now I feel so much better. I can move my head, I can move my neck, I can actually drive without endangering other people on the road because I can turn my head and see. And it's just been good because he has taken away a lot of my pain. Oh, another thing is I used to have to go down the steps sideways. Now I can go down the steps in a normal fashion, and that's a real big plus for me because I've been going downstairs sideways for years now. Anyway, it's been a totally awesome experience. I think if you were to join us, it would just make you very happy. Another thing I really like about him is that he has the most wonderful energy, so you feel good when you leave his presence. You just feel blessed, and that's how I feel about him coming here and being my doctor. Thanks, Dr. Jeff.